So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the AIA Beauty bundle for the month of December, and as far as I know, this is the MAC takeover box. I do know what's in it. I did peek. And I think I even did a comparison in my TJ Maxx video. So let's see how off I was, shall we? So if you want to see what's going on with this box, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so like I was saying in my TJ Maxx video, I was like, I saw that little MAC kit and I was like, wow, this is kind of like almost from what I, the little glimpses that I did steal of this box as far as spoilers are concerned. I was going to maybe not get it. But then I'm like, oh, the Fix Plus, and and yeah, who doesn't want that, right? So, especially with the eyeshadows and stuff. Now, you will see this look. I did a video because I'm testing out a foundation, guys, so I don't have the lights fully, well, they're up bright enough for me not to be able to see because I'm not used to it, but I'm testing out a new foundation. But for $45, not trying to like it. If I can just get the shade, buy it maybe on Macari, like maybe somebody didn't get it back in time, like something that I would do, Anyway, you'll see more about that. So we're just trying to see how it wears. Okay, this is the AIA Beauty Bundle for December. We are going to go ahead and jump right into it. So I did put a post up over on the community tab letting y'all know what's going on. But while I'm doing this, I do want to say, for those people who are new here, my name is Stephanie. I am the host, I guess, around here. And all that means is I'm the one who's showing the products, trying them out, talking about them. However, I'm always interested in hearing what you guys have to say. It is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty for the mind, the body, and the soul, both inside and out. And basically, that kind of covers everything. And that's what I like to do on this channel. We do unboxings, try-ons, although I am going through a little something with my shoulder. So a lot of these videos you will see will be pre-recorded. However, this one is not. Now, guys, I am working, like I said in my community tab post, on a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to strategically place these videos so that it will end up having a giveaway. Now, I will be honest with you, the Christmas giveaway will not end until January, and that is because I am behind. Oh, am I ever behind? And then also, when I announce the winners to those giveaways, I want to be in the moment. I don't want it to be like a pre-recorded thing. But a lot of videos that you're going to see, like the advent calendar and stuff, that's all going to be pre-recorded because I'm just like filming, trying to get videos in my library, We do have so much coming. I mean, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. For people who are new here or just clicking by, I do not like the word subscribe. That is YouTube's term. What I say is please hit that button and become part of the family. This is a family and I treat it as such. If you are so inclined, please rate the video thumbs up. It really will help me out. It does help me out. It shares me out into YouTube. Boy, am I rusty. Holy crap. Anyway, AIA Beauty Bundle. It is, I believe, $35 a month. I think I got charged $35 flat. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Now, I do have my arm resting on the table because I did use it to put on the eye look and like help with the makeup a little bit. You'll see that in the video. It's very tired now and it's very sore. So I'm just going to hold it up. That's paper. We don't need the paper. So there's a little sneak peek and we do have a card. That's pretty cool. Oh, it has the prices. I forgot. It's been a while. The thing is, I'm not like a big MAC person. I guess because MAC has been around for quite a while. It was like the high-end, bougie back in the day. And I guess still is. But I'm just not a big MAC person. And the reason really being is I think I have like two lipsticks from MAC. That's it. And I have the MAC Fix Plus. I have a little bitty bottle of that. That's it, So I'm not really like familiar with them. I almost didn't get this, like I said, but I'm figuring, you know what? I don't have anything MAC, so this is a good way to perhaps test them out. MAC AIA Beauty Awards. There it is. So I'm going to set this here for reference. The first thing I see here is, what is this? I don't know. I don't know a lot about MAC, like I said. I'm going to put my glasses on, guys, just so I don't misquote anything. All right, so the first thing I see, I'm sorry, is the eyeshadow. It's in another language, too, but this is eyeshadow. Is that what it just says? It just says eyeshadow. Amber Lights Frost. So I'm assuming this is a shimmer. Let's go ahead and open her up. But this is the packaging. If you're a MAC, like, you know, you got a MAC collection and, you know, you live for MAC, let me know in the comment section. Are they as, like, I don't know, what's the word I want? Are they as, I don't want to say famous, but are they as sought after as they used to be? Because again, like, I don't know. So if anybody knows, please feel free. So there's the shadow right there. It is a very pretty color. It is more of a, I want to say satin. You perhaps get it to pop a little more with maybe some NYX glitter primer, but to me it definitely looks like a satin. But in all honesty, in all fairness to MAC, I have been looking at some pretty shimmery, like glittery shimmers. Not glitter, but very sparkly shimmers, which I mean, I have them on my eyes right now, you know what I mean? And they're like blinding when you just look at them. So this is a little more muted than I'm used to, but again, I mean, this is maybe one of their all-time popular items, but there you have that. Now, how much is this? Let's see. Okay, this is Eyeshadow Amber Lights, a peachy brown, highly pigmented powder with shimmer that applies evenly and blends well. Available in a kaleidoscope of colors, textures, and finish. So, oh my gosh. So this one, is this the regular size? I guess it is, isn't it? So, oh, and can you depot these? Is this, comment down below, guys. Do you know if this is magnetic? Because you know me and my nails. I'm not trying to get near any of this with my nails, okay? Let me know if that comes out and can you, like, switch it out and stuff. Let's see. It is $19. Wow. That's a lot for just one little eyeshadow. Better be the best eyeshadow in the world. Just kidding. I mean, you know, like I said, MAC is expensive. It's like bougie. I don't know if they're like as sought after as in the market. You know what I mean? Like with all the different brands that are coming out and a lot of the indie brands, I'm wondering if they're like up there on the totem pole still. Okay, so that is the first item. I will put that away later. Second item is here. We do have a blush. Ooh, that looks like a bronzer almost. Okay, so this is in Melba. All right. And what does it say about this? Powdered blush. A matte, soft coral peach blush that provides fantastic color with ease and consistency. Okay. So this is not, you know, back in the day, this would have been a blush I would have jumped on like immediately. So here's the packaging. Okay. As you can see, it does come in the box and it has the cutout there. See, that's with the little the MAC symbol right there. Okay, so there's the color. Doesn't have a mirror, it's just see-through. Okay, which is kind of scratched up, but okay. And there you have it. And I definitely would have used this. So there you have that. Now this, my friends, is valued at 25 bucks. Pretty pricey. $25 for the blush. I mean, well, I don't know. Is it really? Okay, and then we do have a lipstick. Now I think it's Daddy's Girl is the name of the lipstick. It looked like maybe like a brownie pink, but when I put it on, it was way pink. So I don't wear it very much. But this is the classic. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry. There's the packaging. Okay. This is, oh wow, really? Powder Kiss lipstick? Okay, that's unusual to me. And this shade, I guess, does everybody get the same shade? Oh, I haven't seen any unboxings. I just saw like what was going to be there. I didn't see the shades. I didn't pay attention to any of that. I just, you know, I saw particular items, mascara, you know, whatever. Okay, so this is Marrakesh Mirror, $9.25. This says a weightless moisture matte lipstick that delivers a blur of soft focus color with immediate and all-day hydration in a buildable, comfortable formula. Okay, you already know about me and bullet lipsticks. I have a really like, you know, but let me see the color. Oh, it's a very pretty color. It's very dark, very rich, but it's very pretty. So there you have it. And it's, oh yes, Carly, she's She agrees. No. So they have that. I mean, you know, I don't know if, I don't want to breathe all over it, but I don't know if that would be me. I'm not going to swatch it, guys, because, and you know, I don't know this, and it does, oh, it doesn't have magnetic closure, but there's the component. It's very sleek, very pretty. That's not the kind that I have. I don't know. That's not what I look. I did get one from BoxyCharm, and I did buy one myself, but yeah, this isn't the packaging I got. So this is valued at $22, okay? So not, I mean, not terrible for a lipstick. Let's put that there. Okay, guys, so the random comment picker has spoken, and this is the winner to the last month's unboxing of the October and November AIA Beauty bundle. So this person has 48 hours to get a hold of me. And congratulations. Now, guys, don't get discouraged because I've said it a million times. I have so many giveaways coming. This is the Christmas season. And yeah, I couldn't do Vlogmas. I felt a little bad about that. So I'm going to try and make it up to you guys the best way I know how. And just to say thank you for putting up with me and being involved and being a part of this family. So again, hang in there. So much more to come. Now, back to the video. Then we have this. I'm serious. So in that MAC thing, in the MAC little kit, we had everything we just showed there, except there were two eyeshadows, a blush, a lippy, and the mascara. But it was a different mascara. It was in the blue bottle. This is the Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. Ditch your false lashes. 90% said lashes achieved over the top exaggerated volume. 94% said lashes look longer, fuller, and lifted. Wow. I'll tell you what, you see that bottom picture? Well, it's the only picture. If it does that, I am all down for it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's the bright yellow one. Congratulations to the winner, because somewhere in here, I would have put the winner to last month when I opened this box. We did have a hidden giveaway, or a giveaway. I'm not sure if it was hidden, I don't remember. But anyway, the winner, congratulations. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. I'm sure I already said that. Okay, so this is what, there it is. There's the component. I'm not going to open this, guys. Well, that's pretty sleek. I kind of like that. I like the MAC. Does anybody, what does MAC stand for? Geez, I wonder if I can, I don't know. All right, guys, comment down below. I know that sounds like so silly that I don't know that, but I really don't know what MAC stands for. Makeup something something? I don't know. Does it stand for something? Because there's little dots between MAC. But yeah, I have so many mascaras going right now, guys. It's ridiculous. So I'm definitely not going to open this just right now. But I will say, look at that. I'm definitely saying if it does that, I'm excited to give that a try because my lashes need help. Just saying. I mean, I don't have falsies on now, and you can definitely see. All right, and this is valued at, let me see, $25. So far, those are the 4 products that are in that box that I showed you. Not the exact same shades or products, but you know what I mean, like categories. All right, so the piece of resistance, which is why I went ahead and got the box to begin with, is right here. This is the good old staple of the house, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I want to make sure I say it right. And it is 3.4 fluid ounces. I'm sure they probably make it in a bigger bottle than this. I think they do, unless it just looks bigger on camera. Okay, and they do have what I do like this though. They have that little twisty thing. That's cool. And then when you want to spray it, let's see. I could use it. I wonder, are you supposed to spray it on your face? I always see it. I never see anybody use it like that. I always see everybody use it on their brushes for their shimmers. But let me see. Okay, come on. It's got a very nice sprayer. Okay, ready? Let's try it. Okay. Well, it's pretty directed, so maybe it is for brushes. Ooh, okay. Well, like I said, this is why I got it. And it does, let me just tell you what it says. A lightweight hydrating mist packed with vitamins and minerals. I didn't know that. I did not know that. That gently soothes and refreshes skin while delivering a soft sheen to refresh and finish makeup. Okay, cool. It's on my face is still wet, but okay. So that's pretty awesome. And this is valued at $30. So pretty much this one item, aside from $5, paid for the whole box. So let's recap. You have the Fix Plus, 3.4 fluid ounces. You have the Magic Extension Mascara. You do have the Powder Kiss lipstick. You do have the eyeshadow. You do have the blush. So that's the 5 items that come in the box, guys. Comment down below. Do you think this was worth $35? I mean, you know, again, would you be happy to get all these products? And are you familiar with MAC? Tell me what it is that you like about MAC, because, I mean, like, what is so, oh my gosh, MAC products, you know? Like I said, I grew up not knowing about MAC at all. Never heard of them until I got more into makeup later in life, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, so there you have it, guys. So, listen, again, congratulations to the winner. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. And guys, I just want to say thank you so very much for hanging out and sticking around, you know what I mean, and not like venturing off and undoing the S word, because I mean, I know it's tough, and I appreciate all your prayers. Thank you so much. I mean, you know, I wouldn't have got this far without you guys. I really wouldn't have. So remember, until I see you in the next one, if you are going through something, please do not stuff it. Talk about it, share it, get it out, you know. Stuffing is never a good thing. At least in my situations, it's never worked. It always backfired, and it was just worse, and it was terrible. And if you are asked to, you know, listen to someone, please do that, because you can absolutely help them. It's a good feeling. It is Christmas time, you know, and it's all about giving back and, you know, just being in a better mood, and of course, baby Jesus and all that, you know, in this crazy mixed up world. And boy, is it oh so crazy. Please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.